Presenting a pre-owned 2009 Honda Fit Sport. This four-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda is a great value with less than 42,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.